Are you looking for the 3 best sublimation printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson SureColor F570 Pro. The step-up dye sub printer from Epson comes with everything you need to print on both hard surfaces and cloth right out of the box. It is a large format inkjet printer that can accommodate rolls of transfer paper ranging in width from letter A4 to 24 inches. It comes with two 140 ml bottles of ink in each of the 4 colors and a built-in cutter. Epson Edge Print Pro, a professional piece of software, is also included with this version. This makes dye sub printing simple, and the Precision Core micro print head provides the best print quality. It also has a huge color touchscreen interface. At number 2. Epson SureColor F170. The simplest method to print on cloth and other appropriate sublimation surfaces is with this specialist dye sublimation printer. You just use the special ink that is given in the package to fill the ink tanks, printing your design on unique transfer paper just as you would with a standard inkjet printer. This method of printing transfers allows you to reliably apply them with a heat source to the surface of your choice. You get 4 140 ml T49M ink bottles C, M, Y, and K, which are generally regarded as the best dye for sublimation. Based on Epson's renowned EcoTank series, the printer itself has a conveniently small size and, while not having a display, is simple to use using the included software for Mac and PC. At number 3. Mimaki TS100-1600. The most popular size in the fashion industry is 64-inch rolls of sublimation transfer paper, which may be used with this wide format dye sub printer. The most recent version prints at a speedy 753 square feet per hour in full 4-color mode. While you create your next intricate and vibrant design, the 1-liter tanks may be used to start the sublimation printer and put it to work on a lengthy print run. Although this printer doesn't have a built-in touchscreen interface, it comes with all the necessary software to be operated from a computer. This reasonably priced machine will work for textile startups and SMBs because of its 900p print quality. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.